Thimphu, the capital city, attracts tourists who come to experience Bhutan's cleanliness and is home to thousands of residents. However, a lack of public bins and civic responsibility has left the city littered. A recent post on 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗺𝗵𝗂's Facebook page showed people illegally dumping waste and leaving trash behind. These acts were captured by 29 CCTV cameras installed across the city. Offenders were summoned and fined, collecting nearly 30,000 𝗪𝗏. According to 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗺𝗵𝗂, repeated awareness campaigns have often gone unheeded. Officials say posting footage online was a necessary step to discourage littering.
Informal littering and dumping, which actually is happening everywhere and is undermining our goal of keeping Thimphu city clean, green and beautiful. So from my point of view, ultimately the bridging the gap between awareness and action is the key. So we need to have that shift in mindset, and individual conscience is very important here.
Many people support the CCTV initiative. Others have raised concerns about the lack of waste disposal facilities in public spaces, such as viewpoints and busy town areas.
Thimphu attracts tourists from around the world, so keeping it clean is important. Many people still fail to manage their waste properly. I think 𝗵𝗵𝗃's CCTV initiative is a positive step. It can help curb irresponsible dumping.
The 𝗵𝗵𝗃's CCTV cameras make people more mindful of their actions. Without such monitoring, some individuals carelessly dump waste. Public areas often lack bins, so installing more would be very helpful.
The 𝗵𝗵𝗃 plans to add more waste bins, including dual bins, in the coming months to encourage waste segregation in public spaces. A survey is currently underway to identify priority locations. 𝗵𝗵𝗃 officials meanwhile says that CCTV monitoring alone cannot solve the problem. They urge residents to dispose of waste responsibly, use public bins correctly and actively participate in keeping Thimphu cleaner and more sustainable. For 𝗵𝗵𝗃, this is Tandin Finso for BBS News.